Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Let my mind be fixed upon Lord Sri Krishna, whose motions and smiles of love attracted the damsels of Rajdam, the gopis. The damsels imitated the characteristic movements of the Lord after his disappearance from the rasa dance. By intense ecstasy in loving service, the damsels of Vrajbhumi attained qualitative oneness with the Lord by dancing with him on an equal level, embracing him in nuptial love, smiling at him in joke, and looking at him with a loving attitude. The relation of the Lord with Arjun is undoubtedly praiseworthy for devotees like Bhisma, but the relation of the gopis with the Lord is still more praiseworthy because of their still more purified loving service. By the grace of the Lord, Arjun was fortunate enough to have the fraternal service of the Lord as chariot driver, but the Lord did not award Arjun with equal strength. The gopis, however, practically became one with the Lord by attainment of equal footing with the Lord. Bhisham's aspiration to remember the gopis is a prayer to have their mercy also at the last stage of his life. The Lord is satisfied more when his pure devotees are glorified, and therefore Bhishamdev has not only glorified the acts of Arjun, his immediate object of attraction, but has also remembered the gopis, who were endowed with unrivaled opportunities by rendering loving service to the Lord. The gopis' equality with the Lord should never be misunderstood to be like the Sayuja liberation of the impersonalist. The equality is one of perfect ecstasy, where the differential conception is completely eradicated, for the interests of the lover and the beloved become identical.